So after you have shot, edited, and actually created your online course, the next logical question and problem that arises is how I'm gonna sell this course, how am I gonna make money from this course? And people usually think that there's only one way or two ways perhaps to make money with an online course, right? To either list it on an online course marketplace or host it on your own website and run ads to gain traffic and sales this way. Well, this is what I thought for a huge amount of time in this online course business journey of mine. Trust me, this couldn't be further from the truth. There are many different ways to monetize your online courses without any followers, without any investments, and this is exactly what we're analyzing in this video right here. So in this video, we're diving into 5 different ways to monetize your online course after you have created it. So the first way to monetize your online course is through online course marketplaces. Okay, we go ahead and upload our courses into those online course marketplaces. Some examples of online course marketplaces that you can list your courses for free are Skillshare, Udemy, Skill Success, Coursera, and there are many other online course marketplaces out there. Different online course marketplaces have different ways that pay you for your courses. For example, on Udemy, people buy your course directly and they pay you for your services, whereas on Skillshare, people pay a yearly or a monthly subscription on Skillshare, and Skillshare actually goes ahead and pays you based on the amount of minutes that have been consumed of your courses. Skill Success has a pretty similar revenue generating model such as Skillshare. And again, there are many other different online course marketplaces in which you can list your courses. Now, keep in mind that monetizing your online course through online course marketplaces is an amazing way to start generating money if you don't have an audience and don't have money to invest upfront, because each time that you take this asset that you have created, this online course, and you list it on a different marketplace, it will start generating you money independently from all of the other destinations that your online course is uploaded to. For example, for the most amount of time in my journey in this online course creation business, I only uploaded my courses on Skillshare, and I was actually missing a huge part of the pie. It was up until recently when I made the realization that there are more online course marketplaces out there. So this is when I started actually uploading on Udemy, Skill Success, and many other marketplaces. Here's a fun fact. Many people believe that once you cross-upload your online course into many different marketplaces, this online course gets saturated and people stop enrolling. But this couldn't be further from the truth. It is actually very beneficial for your online course to be distributed into many online course marketplaces for 2 reasons. The first reason is that you gain reviews and you actually see if your online course is as good as you think it is, right? So you get immediate feedback from many different sources. Another great thing by cross-uploading your online course into many different online course marketplaces is the fact that at the end of the day, a bigger number of people get to know you and are introduced in your character and in your content. So you have bigger chances of actually creating a fan base if you distribute your courses into more destinations. So moving on to the second way to monetize your online course, okay, to start generating income from your online course, and this is actually to host it on your own online course website. Now, there are many services that help you create your online course website. Some of them are Kajabi, for example, and Teachable. And this is like the second step in this online course creation business, actually hosting your courses into your own website. You need to know how to design a website. You need to know how to copyright and actually create persuasive text that will sell your course there. And also you need to know how or hire someone to design landing pages that are very appealing to the eye. In addition to that, those websites actually require a monthly subscription fee. So if you choose this pathway, you are going to have some monthly expenses. For example, Kajabi is, I think, $150 a month for their most basic pack. So once your course is listed in your website, you have 2 ways to actually gain traffic to this website. The first way is to pay for ads. So obviously we pay for ads, people click on those ads and get redirected in our landing page, which if it is correct, right, and if it's persuasive, then it will drive sales to our courses. If we choose this pathway, then we have one more stream of expenses, right, which are the ads. So up until this point, we already have been paying for this monthly subscription fee to host our courses in this website, and then we also on top of that pay for ads. So as you can imagine, this can be very expensive for some people. The other way to gain traffic to your courses if you host them in your own website is to actually drive traffic from your social media, right? This could be your YouTube channel, your Instagram page, your TikTok page, to your landing page, okay, to your website in which you sell your courses. So this, for example, is what I do. In this channel, I teach people how to create courses and how to monetize their passions. And if you enjoy this content, you can actually click on the link in the description, be redirected in my website in which I sell my programs. So these are two more ways to monetize your courses if you host them in your own website. Another way to generate income from your courses that is independent from online course marketplaces and also independent from creating your own website and again hosting your courses there is to collaborate with LinkedIn and their course creator program. LinkedIn has a very interesting revenue model when it comes to online course creators. Pretty much what they do is that they help you create your courses, so you collaborate with their designers, their content creators, and their editors. So all you need to do is to just know how to talk to a camera, and then once your course is done, they actually go ahead and pay you royalties for your course. In a sense, they buy the course from you, which is very interesting if you want to gain more income one month. For example, you can create and collaborate with LinkedIn to create this course with the help of their editors and their content creators, and then you get paid upfront. But as you can imagine, creating a course and directly selling it on LinkedIn just completely diminishes the fact that online courses are assets. So those courses will not exactly be assets, as they will generate you income once and not reoccurring income month after month, which is what we practice in this channel. But again, if you're looking for active income and you want to exponentially increase, for example, your revenue in one certain month in which you know you have more free time, partnering up with LinkedIn and creating directly courses for LinkedIn is a very, very solid option. Now, in a similar fashion to the LinkedIn course creation program, right, in which you just directly sell your courses on LinkedIn, there are other websites and marketplaces in which you can list your courses to be completely sold to other people. Euthena, for example, is a website in which you list your courses, and people that are interested in purchasing the rights of your courses and just using it for whatever they want, they can actually buy it from Euthena. So you can think Euthena as an online course marketplace, but for the right of your courses. Now, as you can imagine, there are pros and cons on directly selling all of the rights of your courses to another person, right? The pros is that you get immediate money and you can actually charge way more than for what you would charge for a normal enrollment in your course. To give an example, if an enrollment on a course costs, I don't know, $50, then you can probably sell the rights for all of this course for more than $1,500. Think of it as transferring an asset to someone else, right? Like building a house and then selling the house to someone else. You get immediate cash, but then you lose the sense of an asset. You don't have recurring income from this course. And this is exactly the cons of directly selling all of the rights of your courses to someone else. You can't further monetize this course. You get a lot of money once, but then you can't distribute it to more online course marketplaces, and you can't just keep getting money from this course. So ladies and gentlemen, those were 5 ways to monetize your online courses. I know that when I was starting my online course journey, this video would be very valuable for me. So thank you very much, and I'm going to see you in the next video.